I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Google Forms and create a new form, then name it so respondents know the purpose. Once done, add a multiple-choice grid question, the quickest way to build a multi-statement Likert layout. Make sure to switch the grid's prompt to a concise instruction like rate each statement. You're combining setup with first actions so you don't waste time on obvious clicks. Next, you'll add rows and columns and configure required responses to ensure complete data. Now you'll populate the grid. Type each survey statement on its own row, using clear, neutral wording to avoid bias. Then add columns for agreement scale. Common choices are strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree, so responses form a true Likert scale. Once rows and columns are added, open the question's three-dot menu and enable the option to require an answer for each row. Make sure to preview and use the Shuffle Columns feature sparingly, since consistency. Finish by previewing and testing your Likert questions on desktop and mobile so spacing and taps work correctly. Once satisfied, connect responses to a Google Sheet for easier scoring and summary charts. Add clear header labels for each statement. Make sure to set form settings for response collection and anonymity as needed. If anything goes wrong, like blank rows or misaligned answers, check that each row has the required response toggle on and verify column order. That single check usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.